Good afternoon to my fellow YouTubers. Welcome to my channel, Bicolanong Dubai noon. Time check here in Dubai, it's 12:35 in the afternoon and temperature is around 46 degree Celsius. For today's topic, I will discuss to all of you how to create video without using any camera or cell phone, using only software. I will discuss what is the software, the two software that we will use to create a video. So without further ado, let's start. First thing to do is we will go to Google Chrome. And type Consent Samurai. That is the software that we will use. Okay. After opening the website, we have to create our accounts. We need to create. We will register, and after creating accounts, we need to sign in. So already I have here my account, so we will go to this browser. Okay, I will open, so we can start creating video. Okay. Already here the software, so I will sign in. Okay, create a new video, so just press create a new video. Create a new video. Okay, then select your desired templates. That is the templates. Okay. By the way, make it in 16:9 ratio. Okay. Let's say we will select this viral blue. Okay. And press use this template. Okay. Already it's here. So the next thing to do is to load the content. Which video you like and which content. So now our problem is from where we get the content, the ebooks or the topic that you want to load. Now again we will open again Google Chrome and type the second software, which is PLR articles. Okay. Then same thing, we need to make an account. We need to create your own accounts, and after creating an account, you need to sign in. Okay, I have already here the my account. This is the account. Okay, this is the website idplr.com, and I will log in. Okay, after login, so this will appear in your screen. Here there is pre-products. Okay, just press pre-products and press pre-ebooks. Okay, when you press pre-ebooks, there it will appear like this. It is showing the categories. You can select any categories, marketing and promotion, which it depends on your topic or your content on your channel. Diet and cooking, health, fitness and training. Okay, you can select here. And after selecting, okay, we will try. We will try to load content. Search topic. Okay. Free products. Wait, it is loading. Okay. Now, I have already here in my files. I already load the topic. I will show to you. Okay. This is the topic that I load from IDPLR, weight loss. Okay, we'll open weight loss. Okay, there is 25 articles, and you will select what topic you want. Let's say you want your topic is about health. We can select stress. Okay, we will open. So now what we will do is, for the title, to make the video, we will just copy, and paste it on the Content Samurai software. Okay, so we have already the topic, and for the content, the same procedure. We will just copy the content. Same. Copy. And paste. Okay, it's already here. So now, we will about to start to create the video. Just press create scenes. Okay, now the Content Samurai now is now creating scenes for the topic that you load from the PLR, which is related to the content. Okay, already done. There is 43 scenes. Okay, my fellow YouTuber, you can follow my discussion. It's very easy. Just copy paste. Copy from the PLR articles and paste it on the Content Samurai. Okay, it's already it's showing here. Well done. All your scenes are complete. Now the next thing to do is we need to add the voice track to your video. Just press, and he is loading sentences already. Now we need to preview our video. Here, there is some selection here. No voice track, auto voice. You can select here. Who will read your script? You can select here if you want accent from USA, United Kingdom, Australia. Okay, let's try. Olivia, and we can play.
Hi, my name is Olivia and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
Okay. If
Hi,
your voice
my
is
name
okay
is
for you,
Olivia and I would love to read the script for your video.
just
So sit back,
click,
relax, and I'll do all the hard work.
and she will be the one to read. By the way, fellow YouTubers, I cannot use this one because this auto voice is only for the lifetime subscriber, or you subscribe, you buy the software. I am using only trial version, so I cannot use it in my videos. Anyway, we'll continue. Preview your video. Okay. Okay. We will use only music because I am not allowed. Okay, we'll preview our video. Now it is creating scene. Okay, from here you can select the music you want to play on your video. Just select here. You have any mood, angry, dark, just select. Let's say, let's choose loud, and he will upload here on our video. We will check. Okay. If it's okay for you, so then press looks good. Continue. Now we are about to generate the video. Your video will be generated in high definition 720 by 180 resolution. Press generate your video. Now it is starting to generate. Okay, now the progress is 38%. By the way, I don't want to waste your time. I have already here the completed product after generating the video. Then we can download the video. So here he is preparing the audio, generating scenes, encoding video, saving to cloud until it reaches 100% complete. So I will not waste your time. I have here already the finished product of the video of this software, the Consent Samurai. I will show it to you. So no need to waste your ample time. Okay, I will show to you. Here is the finished product from PLR articles to Consent Samurai. This is the script that we load here, and this is the video that is done by Consent Samurai. Okay, my fellow YouTubers, hope you learn some simple techniques on how to create video without using any camera or mobile. Hope you like it, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I have uploaded videos, you will be automatically updated. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you and bye bye.